Hey everyone, so here's yet another example of words that get lost in translation, where in this video I want to talk about wisdom. Where here on the screen is a word family index that you find in the Devar Bible translation software, containing all of the words in the Greek word family of wisdom. So we got wise, wisdom, philosophy is actually in the same word family as wisdom. Where if we just search the word wise, and then we click on the first occurrence, you can click the word and it gives you the Strong's reference, G4680. And then you can search this Strong's reference at Blue Letter Bible or Bible Hub. Just click it in the search bar and here's the word. It's sophos. And this is an adjective. So we see how the King James has translated it wise here 22 times out of all of its occurrences. Okay, and then again, another word in the same word family would be Sophia from G4678, translated wisdom here. So we can look up the word G4678. G4678. Sophia. Feminine noun, which we see they've translated wisdom in all 51 occurrences. Good job. Where here's then the problem, where, for example, if we read the parable of the 10 virgins here in the King James, we see that it says, and 5 of them were wise and 5 were foolish. But the wise took oil, wise. But if you go and look at this word here, this word is phronimos. It's not Sophia. It's not remotely in the same word family. And this word is actually in the same word family as mindedness. Okay, so they have poorly or mishandled this word, translating it wise, where the virgins are not wise. Wisdom is actually a unique kind of knowledge. The concept here concerns thinking. So if you follow this word out, you see here it's in the same word family as phronema, which is a noun. So here's the noun, here's the adjective. Phronemos, which again they've translated wise, where the noun is phronema, which you see defines mindedness, the definition, which one has in the mind. Okay, so it's not wisdom. This is why the Devar translation translates it sober-minded. So here's the parable of the 10 virgins. 5 out of them were foolish, 5 were sober-minded, where the word sober is in italics with the hyphen to add emphasis. So when you're reading these other translations, where here is Matthew 25:2 in a parallel view at Bible Hub, you see they've all mistranslated it. Wise. Wise. Why are all of these wrong? Because they borrow off of the King James translation. It's all biased towards the King James, which is wrong. Okay, remember, wisdom is Sophia, but this word is phronimos here. This is complete mishandling of the Word of God. Where another cool thing about the Devar Bible translation software is that they have what's called concepts explanations, where there's actually a little blurb here concerning the word wisdom. The ability to perceive consequences and the course of events. So it's like an eagle's eye view, the ability to see the bigger picture, to clearly comprehend sequences of events, causes, and effects. Wisdom makes known terms, according to the watch times, which I talk about in many of my videos. Gives ability to teach and show ways and aims, etc., etc. So wisdom is a unique kind of knowledge, which the virgins are not said to have. Where sober-mindedness is good. This is great, but it's not wisdom. That's the point, where the translators have mishandled the Greek word here. So if having a pattern of words being healthy is important to you, I highly recommend getting rid of all of your other Bible translations and get into the Devar Bible translation, which has corrected tens of thousands of these mishandled words, not only in the Greek text, but in the Hebrew text also. And if you're interested, you can download the free software at a file share site called HiDrive, where in the video 90 here, which this is the thumbnail of the video on my video wall, you can go learn a little bit about this translation and follow the links in the comments to download the installation files for Mac, PC, and Android. God bless.